up the gates. Oh, there we go. And our crew member has just given us permission that we're clear. We're clear for sailing.
Like, subscribe, and share to Voices of Linden TV.
And as we get up past the maple trees, we come the highlight of our trip today, which of course is the Peterborough Hydraulic Lift Lock. When this first opened, just a little over 100 years ago, it was at that time the world's largest solid piece of concrete. There are no other structures at that time larger than this that built entirely with concrete. Two chambers, sound up. At the far end of the building, a sawmill. They'll bring in British Columbia timber and large square timber.
So you see the difference now. We're up on the upper, higher elevation. It just closed the gates. What a great concept. What a great place to come and see. William Locke, the one that invented this. Beautiful concept. So now we're up on a different elevation. What a great day to be out on the water here. Great concept. Great people. There's a John Deere over there. This is amazing. This is, of course, a cruise you want to be on. You want to come and experience this for yourself. This is just fantastic. Really, really nice. Very beautiful. See here a nice Canadian flag being there, blown there. Yeah, it's a great day. Welcome to Canada. There's another flag there. What a great country. What a great experience. What a great concept. And my man is turning the wheels there to open up the gates. Oh, there we go. And our crew member has just given us permission that we're clear. We're clear for sailing.
Just hold.
And we have
coming through the bridge in front of us. We've got probably one of the most expensive yachts that has gone through here this season. The Trent-Severn Waterway site has been following this vessel all the way from Georgian Bay down through the waterway. As we get up here, you'll see why it's such an expensive vessel.
Yeah, I just bought this yacht. It's just being delivered today. So my team, they're just bringing it over from Georgian Bay. And yeah.
In the late 18, early 1900s, when they built the canal through the area, R.B. Rogers, the man that designed and built the Peterborough Lift Locks, had a young sister whose name was Mariah. They named the street and the bridge in front of us after his youngest sister. It is called the Mariah Street Bridge. As you can well imagine, during the summertime, this bridge ahead of us will swing several times an hour, tying up traffic in both directions for an awfully long distance. But you know, the people in Peterborough, they are a very patient bunch. They'll quietly sit in their cars here for 5 or 10 minutes at a time, listen to the radio, talking amongst themselves. In fact, oftentimes as we travel through here, they'll take a moment, roll their windows down, and even wave at us. Oddly enough, though, sometimes with only one finger extended. But if that happens, it's just a friendly Peterborough bringing them, smile and wave back. I'm sure they just be friends. But sure enough, if they had a hydro outage in the area, they could still open and close this bridge manually using that return key. Quaker Oats is probably one of the larger users of this track. Actually, the other company that uses this track extensively is known as Nefton Mines. Nefton Mines is north and east of this area. They mine nepheline cyanide, which is a silicon sand used in the manufacture and production of fine glass and pottery. It's also used in paint products. They ship a load of this out pretty well every day, heading west into Toronto and then on to other parts of the country, North America for that matter.
Door site. We'll be conducting a transfer momentarily. Thank you.
So all these people usually come here just to see this in action. So watch this. This is gonna blow your mind. So we're on the lower deck right now. We're in the level of the river here, and eventually we're gonna be going up like that one, and the one that's up is gonna be coming down. What a fantastic, what a great view. This is something you want to experience. It's cheap, it's affordable, you can make it. If you can't, just watch it on a video, but I'll be here to record play-by-play. So look at this. This is the coolest thing I've seen in a long time. Watch this.
As that crossover valve slowly begins to open, the heavier chamber
See? Watch this.
Water out from the large cylinder across under the cement column instead of the
So we're going up and this guy's coming down. Watch this. Isn't this cool?
This is still the highest hydraulic lift locks in the world, with only 2 of them in North America.
Highest in the world.
Farther up in the system. But this is the highest one, 65 feet or 19.8 meters. Once that crossover valve opens, well, gravity does everything else.
Wow.
Now, it's the extra foot of water in that other chamber, which causes that chamber to come down, in turn causing us to rise.
See, she's down. We're in the same level.
As we rise right now, we're going to
Visually, you have no idea you're even moving.
119 years old.
Because it's that smooth, eh?
Yeah.
Unlike the first lock we went through, they could move traffic in 2
Wow.
directions at one time by
It's really
filling
nice.
both chambers with vessels if they happen to be going through here. But I don't think there's any boats in the other chamber. It wouldn't matter how many boats are in either chamber because a vessel displaces its own weight in water. That's Archimedes' principle.
Wow. What a great invention, eh? Yeah.
A few things that have been changed over the years. The end gates holding back the canal water in front of us. The end gates on each end of the chamber now built out of aluminum, replacing the original gates, which were steel. As this chamber reaches the top, the other chamber also reaches the bottom.
Very nice. Couldn't have said it any better. What a beautiful day for a nice little cruise in this lift lock. So we're on top of the world. We're on top of the water, and those guys are down in the bottom. Here we go. So yeah, this is fantastic. This is really cool. Let's watch this. We're on top of it.